Learning عندي is essential to survive a basic conversation in Levantine Arabic. I will ask you about how to say the following in Arabic at the end of the video. It's important to know that there are two ways to say I have in Levantine Arabic. One, using عند. عند literally means at or near. The second way is to use مع, which literally means with. In this video, we will focus on عند, but let's go briefly on the difference between عند and مع. We use عند to talk about things that we own, about family, about responsibilities, and about abstract things like ideas, time, problem, for example. So we can say, I have a house, I have a car, I have a dog, I have a daughter, I have a sister, I have a meeting, I have an exam, etc. As for ma, it's generally used for something that we physically have. So if you want to say, I have a book or I own a book, but it's not with me, I don't have it with me now, we would use عند for the first part and ma for the second part. Now that we will move to listening to the conjugation of عند, I would like to mention to you that عند is not conjugated like we normally would do for present tense. And that's because عند is not actually a verb, it's an adverb of place. So it will be conjugated using the attached pronouns, and these are the same pronouns that we learned in the possessive videos.
I have.
أنا عندي. أنا عندي.
You have. Masculine.
أنت عندك. أنت عندك.
You have. Feminine.
أنت عندك. أنت عندك.
You have. Plural.
أنتوا عندكم. أنتوا عندكم.
He has.
هو عنده. هو عنده.
She has.
هي عندها. هي عندها.
They have.
هم عندهم. هم عندهم.
We have.
إحنا عندنا. إحنا عندنا. While listening to the example sentences, you will notice that I did not use the subject pronouns I, he, she, etc. That's because we can guess the subject from the conjugation of عندي. So there's no need to say the pronouns unless you want to emphasize the subject.
I have a house.
عندي بيت. عندي بيت.
Do you, masculine, have a dog?
عندك كلب. عندك كلب.
You, feminine, have a lesson.
عندك درس. عندك درس.
Do you, plural, have dessert?
عندكم حلو. عندكم حلو.
He has a car.
عنده سيارة. عنده سيارة.
She does not have a meeting.
ما عندها اجتماع. ما عندها اجتماع.
They have Arabic or Western food.
عندهم أكل عربي أو غربي. عندهم أكل عربي أو غربي.
We do not have children.
ما عندنا أولاد. ما عندنا أولاد. Now, can you say in Arabic, do you have a car? I do not have a dog. Do they have a lesson? Thank you so much for watching, liking, and commenting. Please subscribe for more videos.